Hey guys, so in this session we will be looking at insert statements and their variations. For this demo I'm going to be using products table, which is typically found in e-commerce databases. So I just did a describe on the table that I created, and it has product ID, product name, product type, price and quantity, and you can see that product ID is also an auto incrementing column. Right now there is no data in it. A typical insert statement looks like this. It's got the insert into keyword and the table name, a bunch of columns within parentheses, the ones that you want to populate, followed by the values keyword, and followed by the actual column values. If you can realize, I haven't actually specified the product ID value because it's an auto incrementing column. So let's go ahead and execute this, and the insert statement goes through. So let me also run the select statement. As you can see, the product ID table has taken the value 1, and that's happened automatically. I didn't supply the value 1. So I'll go ahead and commit the change, and then let's actually move on to the second variation. So this time I'm going to specify a value for product ID. Nothing else is different. So just want to show you that it is possible. So it goes through, and then a commit, and then let's do a select to make sure the value has been inserted. So let's go to the third variation of this insert statement. So it's going to be pretty much the same, except actually I'm going to just jump some values and then insert the value 10 for this product ID column. I'll go ahead and do that. It goes through, a commit, and select again. Then you can see that that is also fine. So yeah, so that worked. So you can actually jump a few values. Let's actually look at the next variation. Again, I'm going to insert a record into this table with no product ID specified exclusively or explicitly. The product ID column is missing over here, and I'm going to run the insert statement and a commit, and then I'm going to run the select statement. So I just wanted to show you that wherever the latest value is for this auto incrementing column, I inserted the value 10 for product ID last time, and then the next time I do an insert, this auto increment kicks in, and then increases this value from 10 to 11. So it picks up from the value that was inserted last time. And I'm going to just take another insert statement, and this time it's actually insert into the table name, and instead of the values keyword specifying the column names, values, etc., we actually select from a different table. Basically, if the products 3 table is exactly matching the structure of products 1 table, then we can do even a select star from. If the columns don't match exactly, as in like products 1 has a different set of columns and product 3 has a different set of columns, then we need to make sure that we actually select the columns, and then for example this product ID from products 3 maps to this product ID in products 1, and product name from products 3 maps to product 1 in product name in product 1, and so on. Let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. And then that goes through, and then if I now select the products 1 table, you can see like all these rows are inserted properly, and basically the products 1 table is populated, and then we got all the data from products 3 table. So this time I want to show you the insert statement again. This is kind of like a bulk insert or a multiple insert just combined into one statement. You can see the insert into clause is specified only once, but in the values part in this clause actually we have 2 rows specified at the same time, so we can even use such a syntax. And a commit, and then do a select. All good. So these are a few variations of insert statement. I hope you understood how this works. I'll see you guys in the next session.